Hi everyone. Today I want to unbox a few embroidery and sewing supplies. I thought I'll take a quick video. So this is from a shop from Kerala. It's called Thread Shop. I will put a detailed URL and website link in the description. So let's see what's there. So kudos to this one. They have said it is fragile packing. I like this so much that they took care to put a fragile sticker over here. I'm not sure. I did make a mistake in this parcel because I wrote the wrong pin code. So extra kudos to this shop. I think they tried to track it down and get it delivered to me. So this is the packaging. Beautiful packaging. Okay, so these are different size of hoops that I ordered. I don't remember the exact dimensions. I will put those in the description. And these are embroidery yarns I ordered. Okay. This is beautifully packed. Some beautiful shades, all packed well. Thank you. These are, I think, 10-inch hoops. 10-inch hoops in rapier. Looks good quality. I'll take out this. These are the hoops I got. So this is a much awaited thing. I was sad when I thought I lost the parcel because of my own mistake. This is something which I wanted for a long time. So this is the one. This is the anger shade card. So it has 322 vibrant shades from the makers of the world's finest embroidery thread. Okay, so I don't know how it is. Let's do. I'll just cut it. I am too impatient to. So I'll just clear up this place and show you guys. So these are bobbins for the embroidery thread. So when some of the threads are used, you can and these becomes loose, you can store it on this. I'll show you later. So yes, I think I should do a separate video on this. Wow, beautiful. See this, guys? Can you see the entire thing? Give me a minute. I'll put this up. This is the entire thing. You can see it, all shades. So I'll do a separate video if you need. So the price of this one is 800 rupees. Okay, that's all guys. Thanks for watching.